Hello and welcome to Healthy is Easy, where we show you how to make simple seasonal recipes from scratch using the healthiest ingredients. I'm your host, Madia.
Hi, I'm Marcella. Thanks for watching. Today we'll be making purple deviled eggs. And for that you need pasture-raised eggs, avocado mayo, Dijon mustard, and fresh dill, as well as beet juice for the color.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy these purple deviled eggs with family and friends.
Alright, let's do it. Yum. Thanks for watching.